Today we are talking about the importance of getting permits when renovating your home. I know it can be tempting to skip them and save some time and money, but trust me, it's not worth it in the long run. First of all, when you're trying to sell your home, buyers are always going to be cautious if you're doing any work without permits. It could raise red flags and cause issues with the sale. Plus, if you don't have permits for any work that needs to be inspected, your insurance might not even cover it, God forbid, if something happens. And let's not forget about safety. Permits ensure that work being done is up to code, especially when it comes to electrical work. The last thing you want is a fire or other hazard due to unpermitted work. So do yourself a favor and get those permits. It's